people in town, both inside and outside the conference, have been amazing. The staff at the conference has been really great. The networking, I'm meeting so many different people within the same research area that I'm in, the same interest area, but that are providing just different perspectives. So that's been really neat to network and meet new people and learn new things.
Interactions among the posters, talking to students, talking to people from all around the world. Mostly we meet people from Europe, but you meet people from the US, from South America, from Africa, share ideas with them. It's wonderful to do, and it's a really enriching experience, and I feel it's a privilege to be here.
ICERI, I find it's a very good place to collaborate, meet new connections, network. I've met a lot of people here over the years who I've then gone on to collaborate with in different parts of research, particularly in education, assessment and feedback, and it's always great to come back.